Hi, family. So, this your sister, Belinda Jenkins. Thank you, my sister and brothers, for joining me once again. I'm out here at my first property here. So, if you have a look at this property, my intentions is for to sell this property. So, let's go inside. So, I've had this property now since 2015. So my tenant just left, just moved out. So we have to vacuum and we're gonna clean the floors, paint the walls, everything. So come on back here to the first bedroom, guys. So here's bedroom number one. Here's bathroom number one. So here's the bathroom. Starting to do some cleaning. All right, so guys, here's the second bedroom. Right here, gonna have to do some painting. Like I said, again, clean the closet. Look at how deep these closets are. So look, I can reach my entire arm in there and still had to extend my body on. Okay, so here's the master. Here's the master, and I'm not going too far in here, but I have a security system. So there's a security system. Just show you a little bit. You can't really see where everything is showing, but security system is in there, guys. I have 4 cameras on the outside. Here is the master bathroom right here. So I had put some comment in the toilet and went ahead and opened up the sink and make sure everything was working properly. So coming on down the hallway, guys, we can look here and see for the bathroom. So these are some of my items over here. I just put in a laundry closet. There is central air and heat that was put in here about 3 years ago, if I remember correctly. And so I have left this gas heater here as an alternative. So here's my kitchen, guys. Here's the kitchen. So the cabinets were brown and I stained these and painted them gray. I'm just gonna have to go and touch them up again. The tenant here had some little words that were sticking here on the cabinet. So as I just pulled them off, it removed some of the paint. So I'm going to paint them. And refrigerator, just got this refrigerator in January, so it's almost a year old. So guys, let's go outside and look at this property, how much land I have back here. So if you see, there's a shed back over there, and here's the central air the unit that was put in, the HVAC that was put in, I believe 3 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago. So you see it's fairly new. So guys, tell me what you think. What you think about this property here? Okay, so let me know. Today I'm out here at project number 1, which is my first property that I bought. I had been renting it for about 6 years, and now I decided that I'm going to sell this property. So I am cleaning the carpet today. Let's see how well things go today. Thanks for joining me. Here's a spot right here that has gum in it. I hear some people say that they use ice to get it up. Some people just use like a little knife. But the main thing, you don't want to put a hole in the floor. So you may want to test a little bit and see how much it is actually stuck to the floor. Okay, because you don't want to damage your carpet. So what he's doing, he's taking the knife and straightening it across the top of the carpet, and that's digging a lot of the gum up. Okay. So you see how it's coming up. Looks a lot better. And we'll just continue working at it and cleaning it, you know, till it gets better. But than that, but still, it's a sight better than what it was at first. So here's another little piece right here. And guys, I have blown it up so you can see it a lot better. So he just take his little knife, he's loosening it up a little bit where he can start getting up under it. And then he's just taking the tip in. So this gum has been down here a while, guys. Normally I get monthly inspections, but due to COVID, I had stopped the monthly inspection. So a lot of things had been going on that I would not have been satisfied with. You can't even really see it now. Here's the other spot. Right here, you can see it off from a distance, looks like a little dirt spot. So I'll continue cleaning that, guys. No, but overall, compared to the entire room, with the deep cleaning, see how it looks? All right, family, for excuse the noise, it's cleaning the carpet. So my husband came up, he's taking over from me. So basically what he did, he started from this edge over here, or you can start from the other side of the room. So you want to start at the corner of one wall and work your way towards the door. So you see he's going from that end of the room, coming over about halfway or along up to where the door line up. So here's the door line up there. So he's working his way from that corner over there to that corner. And then once he gets that done, what's lined up with the doorway, he's gonna start coming this way. Start from that end and then work his way down to the door. Okay? Or sometime you may, we may go make a oval shape that way. Start going that way and working our way closest to the door. All right? Until we finally have this piece right here. So you're not doing a lot of walking over top of what has already been cleaned. What you see, he's vacuuming, he's cleaning, he put his button, he stopped. So let me come up here to it. All right. So we have it set on carpet right here. I have it set there on carpet. Here's the power button right here to turn it on. And when you are cleaning the carpet, you push this button right here, which is going to start spraying that hot water in solution. First time using this brand for Hoover, but I always get the kind that used for pets because it's deep cleaning. I figure if it can clean the pet's urine and feces or anything else that can go on the floor, then it should be able to clean anything that a person can do. Now, this is the brand that I normally use right here. So with this one right here, and this is done very well for me. So you see, it has simple instructions telling you, showing you exactly what you're supposed to be doing, guys. So it's easy. All right, so let me go and empty this and fill it up with clean solution and hot water. All right, so he's poured a little solution in there. Let me go and get this. Take this on to be clean. Alright, so once I iron it out, I'm going to get my hot water. So bring my bucket of hot water. If you recall, my husband has already poured some of the solution down in the tray right here. All right, so let me pour the hot water in here.
Keep going. Put it all in there. Oh, it ain't full yet.
All right, so now it's ready. So that's a cord for the cable. Cord, can you just put that under the door going to the satellite? I mean, going under the carpet. Excuse me, not under the door for the closet. Put that out of the way. All right, so you remember, family, how I told you he was gonna clean from that wall over here to the room, line up with the door, and now he's coming out from that end to work his way on down to the door. Well, make sure you also clean right here in the walkway, because when you finish, you clean right here in the doorway, because when you finish, I always shut the door to the bedroom. Shut the door to the bedroom, so that way no one will be going in there, and the room should remain clean, and the carpet just has to dry. So it's just damp a little bit damp. Okay. So the kind of cleaner, the solution that we have, is great for pets. It has a fresh scent also. Give a really deep clean.